Yes, students, see illustration number 4. The complete statement is given to you. You find the 6-mark question in your examination in this form. A and B sharing profit in 3:2, and the balance sheet on 31st March 2018 is given as follows. The balance sheet, you are well aware about the balance sheet. The liability side carry creditors, capitals, and on the another side assets are given to you: cash at bank, debtors, provision for bad debts, stock, machinery, land and building. Partner decided to dissolve the firm on the above date. Assets realized as follows. Just look at the statement carefully. Here it is given the book values which are given in the balance sheet, and here the realized value of the assets are given in the further information. In the second para related to liability is given to us that creditor are agreed to accept 5% less and expense on realization. Whatever the auction or the realization procedure is to be done, for that expense are amounting to rupees 1200. Pass a necessary journal entry and prepare necessary accounts. Let's go for the entry part first. What to do? All the assets you have to taken, but except cash and provision for bad debts, because provision for bad debts will be considered as liability. It is to be taken on the credit side, and cash at bank is to be shown in the bank account. Except that, the entry will become realization account debit to debtors, to stock, to machinery, to land and building for the transfer of various assets, except cash to realization account at their book value. The next entry, creditor, provision for bad debts to realization. Then the realized value is given to us. The entry will become bank account debit to realization account. See, all the assets realization value is given to us as well. Then creditors are paid off 5% less. The entry will become realization account debit to bank account 19,000, because in the balance sheet you can see the creditors are given 20,000. 5% less will be 19,000. No need to show the deduction in the entry, but amount will be deducted itself. The next entry will be realization account debit to bank account for the payment of expense on realization. Now what to do? Whatever you debit in the realization, add those figures. Whatever you credited in the realization account, add those figures. Make the difference the debit side exceed, and the entry will become realization account debit to A to B. 8800 will be the balancing figure of the balances of realization account. It is to be divided among all the partners in their profit sharing ratio, and then the final payment is to be made to the partners. It will be get after preparing the partners capital account, or you can do it verbally as well. Like capitals are given in the balance sheet to you, it's 1,50,000 and 90,000, and they are getting in their capital account. There is only a single journal entry related to realization. This amount will be added and it is to be paid to the creditors, because there is no more transaction related to capital account. Is no journal reserve, no profit and loss is given, whether we can add that as well. So now come to the ledger account. As I told you, while preparing realization account, all the assets are to be transferred first at their book value, by creditor liability, by provision, by bank account whatever the assets realized value, to bank account creditor paid, to bank account expense paid. We have to compare both of the side and we will get the balancing figure 8800 as the profit on realization. And after that, next one is the partner capital account. We have to show the balances of the capital account, and by realization account the profit of the capital account. See, in the realization account we mark the entry realization to partners capital account. So in partner account the entry will become to realization account. So balance of the capital account you will get. Let's move to the next page. We have to prepare our bank account. While preparing the bank account, the balance of the bank account to balance brought down is to be shown as it is given in the balance sheet, and all the entries that are related to bank. In realization account, if you remember, you did the entry by bank account. In bank account the entry will become to realization. In realization account, you pass the entry to bank account for creditor paid, to bank account for expense on realization paid. So here you have to pass the entry by realization. In partner capital account, you pass the entry to bank account. In bank account, you have to pass the entry by A's capital, by B's capital. Like your balance sheet, your bank account total always be equal. Whatever the balances are available with the firm, it is to be utilized by paying off all these transactions. Here the hints whatever I have discussed with you are given to you as well. I have discussed each and everything which are given in the hints. Read it thoroughly and try to do next 3 questions. Illustration number 5, 6 and 7. Thank you. Have a nice day.